Handling an account review on Wise can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is a guide to help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Understand the review process. Familiarize yourself with why Wise conducts account reviews. They may review accounts for compliance, security, or to ensure that users are following their terms of service. Step 2. Gather required documents. Prepare the necessary documents that may be requested during the review. This can include identification, proof of address, and any other relevant information that verifies your identity and account activity. Step 3. Log into your Wise account. Access your Wise account through the official website or app. Check for any notifications or messages regarding the account review, as these will provide specific instructions from Wise. Step 4. Submit requested information. Follow the instructions provided by Wise to submit the required documents. Ensure that all information is accurate and complete to avoid delays in the review process. Step 5. Monitor your account status. After submitting your documents, keep an eye on your account for updates. Wise will notify you once the review is complete or if they need any additional information. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your account review on Wise. Stay patient and responsive to any requests to ensure a smooth process.